The Vivo Y500 is a mid-range smartphone that stands out from the competition with two key features: an exceptionally large battery and top-tier durability. While it makes some compromises in other areas to hit its aggressive price point, its unique selling points are likely to appeal to a specific audience, such as professionals who need a phone that lasts for days, or outdoor workers who require a device that can withstand harsh conditions. This is arguably the phone's biggest strength. Vivo is heavily marketing the Y500 as a King Kong of a phone, and early reviews support this. It boasts an IP69, IP69, IP68 rating, which is rare for a mid-range phone and even surpasses some flagships. This means it's not just water-resistant, but also able to withstand high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. It also has SGS Gold Label 5-star certification for drop and impact resistance. Reviewers note that the phone feels solid and well-built, with a design that emphasizes sturdiness. The 8,200 mAh Blue Ocean battery is the largest ever in a Vivo smartphone, and it lives up to the hype. Initial tests and company claims suggest it can last for over 18 hours of continuous use and days of normal usage. The inclusion of 90 watts fast charging is a welcome surprise, allowing the massive battery to be topped up relatively quickly. This combination of a huge battery and fast charging is a major plus for users who prioritize longevity. The 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display is a strong point. With a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits, it's described as vibrant, smooth, and easily viewable, even in bright sunlight. This high-quality screen experience is a highlight, especially considering the phone's price. The MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC is a capable mid-range chipset. Reviewers state it handles everyday tasks and even moderate gaming without issues. However, it's not a performance beast and won't match the speed of flagship processors. This is one of the trade-offs Vivo made to keep the price down, which seems reasonable given the phone's target audience. The camera setup is the most significant compromise. The dual rear camera consists of a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, with an 8-megapixel front camera. Initial reviews indicate that the cameras are good enough for social media and basic photography, but lack the versatility and advanced features of more camera-focused phones. The lack of an ultra-wide or telephoto lens is a noticeable limitation. Other features include dual speakers tuned by Vivo's Golden Ear Acoustic Lab, AI-powered network switching, a 360-degree antenna design, and full-function NFC. The phone ships with Android 15 and OriginOS 5 out of the box. Vivo Y500 comes in Glacier Blue, Dragon Crystal Powder, and black colors. The 8/128GB version starts at $196, while the top-tier 12/512GB trim is $280. So if you're looking for a phone that can withstand the elements and last for days on a single charge, the Vivo Y500 might just be the one for you. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.